Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so right now we are seeing a processor benchmark on the S10 Plus and the iPhone X Plus. Honestly, these are really close neck and neck, especially when you consider this is pre-production software on the S10 Plus, and it will only get better once it's final release. This doesn't even have the final RAM build on these, so these are pre-production units. You definitely will get better results when in person. But the point is that it's already so close. So it really is creeping up closer and closer to this one. Awesome quality. I'm definitely very curious to see how it will go along once we have the final build of the S10 Plus at the studio. Let me know what you guys think. Is this the result you expected? Do you expect different results on the final build? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.